Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade or update your camera's firmware. This happens to be a Sony a7 III. I'm going to upgrade the firmware. First thing you want to do is you want to click on the menu button here. You want to go over to the briefcase, which is the setup button, and you want to make sure that your USB connection is selected to mass storage. So we're going to make sure our USB connection is selected to mass storage. You have your options right here. Usually it may be on auto or PC remote. You want to make sure it's not on PC remote or auto. Mass storage is the selection we need. Next, you want to hook up your USB-C. And you want to connect that to your PC. This is the update, the latest update as of January 2026. You can go to the Sony website and look for the latest update for your computer model and brand. So I'm going to go ahead and select System Software Update here. And as you can see, it's telling me System Software Updater. It's self-explanatory. Connect the camera and the computer. It gives you instructions and details right here. Turn on the camera, select USB connection from the setup in the camera's menu screen, and verify that the connection method is set to mass storage. We just did that. Connect the camera to the computer with a USB cable. We did that. Click the next button when the connection has been made. So I'm going to go ahead and select next. Right now it's verifying everything. It says check the version. If there's no problems with the version, click next button. As you can see, I'm currently in version 3.10, but I want to update it to version 4.03. So I don't have a problem with that. I'm gonna select next. I hope this update is a good update, because I'm gonna be peeved if it's not. Right here, the camera will restart automatically. Please wait. And basically that's it. This is how you update your firmware. As you can see over to the left, it shows the progress menu. Right now, mine is updating and will automatically reset the camera when it's done. Right now, it's running the update. And as you can see, it says updating. Do not pull the USB cable out or turn off the camera. What I recommend is that you have your camera on a flat surface so it won't be any errors during the update. You don't want to pick up the camera and move it, and then the USB cable lose connection for a hot second. That will mess up the update. This is going to take a while, but in a nutshell, this is how it's done. The last step is to finish the update. That may take some time. So I'll try to hold on. If not, this is how it's done. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh yeah, by the way, you may want to make sure that your PC is plugged into the power supply, because this update can take some time. And to make things even better, you can disable the screensaver on your PC. Talk to you soon.